morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat at maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. We are just starting through, or we are just at the first days of the Christmas season. We have relatively 3 weeks of Christmas season in our liturgical year. Hindi po siya natapos kahapon, nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. And these days are days of octave, meaning that the joy of Christmas cannot be sheltered in just one day, but it resounds through the coming days ahead of us. And from today, tomorrow, and until the 28th, though it's a Sunday, we will be remembering various saints. Today, the first day, the 26th, Saint Stephen. Tomorrow, Saint John. And usually every 28th of December, we celebrate the feast day of the Holy Innocents. Witnesses to the incarnation and to the good news of the newly born King Jesus Christ. And today we focus ourselves to the first martyr, Saint Stephen. And if we wish to describe Saint Stephen, most especially from the first reading we've heard, we can go through a lot of descriptions about him. He was working great wonders and signs among his people. He was an eminent man. He cannot be defeated from his words and from his actions. He was deeply a spiritual man, a man filled with his love and a spirit of God. But over and above everything of this, Stephen was indeed a spirit-filled man. This is a person who kept on going besides whatever is happening to him. Nothing was stopping Stephen to preach the good news, to clear out the doubts of these men and women around him. A spirit-filled person. At ang isang taong puspos ng espiritu ay hindi lamang taong buhay, taong puno ng karunungan, buhay na buhay sa kanyang sarili at sa kanyang mga pananalita. But what is the secret of a spirit-filled person will always be the promise of Christmas. That he knew deep within him that Jesus is born for him as well. That there is an Emmanuel that fuels him in his ministry and his life. What kept Stephen as a spirit-filled man is that promise that God is with us. Similarly, my dear brothers and sisters, it is good to look up to the energy, to the spirit of Saint Stephen. What keeps us going, what won't stop us in this life is the promise that God is with us. Ang pabaon at ang katotohanang nasa atin din ang bilin, isinilang din sa ating mga puso ang Diyos na nagkatawang tao. This will fire us up for us to love others. This will fire us up to continue speaking the truth. This will fire us up to keep on extending our hands in ministry, in help, in doing good works, in compassion, and in mercy. That will always be the secret of a spirit-filled person. Not only because of his or her strength, not only because of her talents and her capacities, but his or her number one treasure is the promise of Christmas, the promise of God with us. This kept us, Stephen, filled with the fire and with love. Not only with his capacities, not only with his wisdom, but he knew well his secret, the one he followed, the one to whom he gave his life, Jesus, God who is with us.